girls, this is a Jersey cow grooming herself. Cleaning yourself, huh? Yes. Doing a good job, too. Come here. Hi. You want to say hello to the boys and girls, huh? They love cows. Boys and girls, Jersey cows have black tongues. Boys and girls, this is a young female cow. See her udder there? See? A small one because she is young. She is probably about 2 years old. One day she'll be a mother with some little baby calves. Here's our little goat. Do you remember her earlier? Now she's happy with the rest of the animals. Oh my, how cute. Goats are social. They get bored and lonely when left alone. Remember, kids, when this one right here was banging? She wanted to get in with the other animals? Hey, now you see why. She wants to be part of the group. You happy nowadays because you're over here? Come on. Oh my gosh, right in my ear. There's a quiet one down there. You're really quiet. And then we got the loud one. We have the loud one, but she's awful pretty. Oh. It's okay. They're coming with your food. They're coming with your food. You see them? Do you see them coming, huh? Boy, that's a loud baa. You want to say baa? You want to say baa to everybody? Boys and girls, loves me to rub underneath her neck. Yeah, baby soon, huh? Yes, you are. Huh? They're gonna be pretty like you. They're gonna be pretty like you. Huh?